Hey, it's me. Amber's not here with me. I'm actually driving right now. See? It's actually 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if you can tell. I'm actually going hunting. So this is going to be kind of a cool adventure. I wish Amber was here. She hasn't gone hunting with me yet. It's one of those things, like, why would you want to wake up early to go look for an animal type thing? But it's going to be fun. I'm going to go with my dad. I'm not sure who else is going to be there. I had to work last night, so I'm not sure, like I said, who's all going. I don't know if he invited anybody else. But regardless, it'd be a cool thing to do with us guys. My brother-in-law is in town. My sister's in town. My brother lives here, so it'd be kind of cool to see who's all here. Just so you know, New Year's is in a couple days, so I'm not sure if we're doing anything special or not, but that's something to kind of be cool. I don't know if we're going to make a video, but I also want to show you the temperature. Oh, that was my nose. I got a big schnauzer. The temperature is actually 4 degrees. It's not focusing. There it is, 4 degrees, and it's 6:04 in the morning. So we're meeting at Syracuse at the Casey's. If you live in Nebraska, you know how great the pizza is at Casey's. A lot of people like the breakfast pizza. I don't care for it personally, but a lot of people like it. But either way, it's gonna be fun. I'm going turkey hunting. We're going to kill a bird, hopefully. If not, doesn't matter. We're going to have fun. I keep saying fun a lot. Don't know why. I haven't had any sleep yet, so that might be why. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye. Alright, so I just made it to Syracuse. We are at Casey's. So when I first moved, well, Amber and I first moved back here to Nebraska, my dad and I used to go down here and hunt all the time. It's actually the same place that we went exploring that night, and which I'll put in the description and somewhere in the corner. So trying to figure out how that works. Anyway, so we started coming here, and it became a tradition. So we'd stop here, get some pizza, get a couple things of snacks or whatever, cup of joe. I usually get like a hot chocolate or a Mountain Dew. I don't drink coffee, but I like the smell of it, but I don't like the taste. But anyway, so we would come here and we would get whatever, go down, go hunt, and then we would come back here and get another slice of pizza and then head back home. So that's part of our tradition. I'm waiting on them to show up. They're coming from a different area. So we'll see you guys when we get down to the woods, and then you'll see me in the blind. Woohoo! Can't wait. See you guys later. I ain't gonna lie, this is stupid. Kind of helps sit in that light. So we made it out here. They don't know that I'm vlogging, but it's okay. So this is it. I think it's like 7 degrees. It's freaking cold. Anyway, so we're gonna head out, and then we're gonna get the blind set up and hopefully get set up before the turkey wake up. This was dumb. It's cold. It's really cold. Alright, bye. Alright, cool. Now it just, so we left the Huskies at home. So we're gonna make this work though. As long as no one yells mush. Oh my god. Already. This is not stealthy at all. This is gonna be so loud. This is gonna be so loud. It works in principle.
so made it to the blind. Whew. It's cold and I have a hard time breathing. Cause we had to walk all this stuff in. We can't drive up into this spot. So, but it's like really, really quiet. We'll see what happens. I don't think we're going to stay here that long. It is cold. But I also haven't gotten any sleep. So that's the fun part. Because I have to drive about an hour and a half home. But it's okay. The sacrifices you can make so you can be out in nature. But this is fun. It is a two-seater. So Amber can come here and hang out with us next time and all that kind of stuff. Comment below if you've ever been hunting and what do you normally hunt for. So it is fall season, so I can actually shoot a male or female turkey. That's very nice. So this area here is a clover field that I found by accident one time when I came down here to scout. But I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. We'll see how it's a bit. Well, you can see the steam coming from my breath. Alright, well, I will see you guys after a while. Bye. Oh, it's like a halo. Yeah, so I'm a little annoyed. I'm in my blind and some guy just comes up and starts yelling at me. I guess I walked in the middle of his hunt. This is a public land. I guess I walked up into his hunt and I didn't know about it, and so he came up to my blind and started screaming at me. So totally jacked up my hunt. I guess I accidentally jacked up his hunt. So now I'm back in the truck waiting on my dad to get done. Just text him. So I don't know. I mean, this is kind of frustrating and kind of upset. I mean, there's nothing else I can do right now except for wait. So that's what happens. Hey guys, so I'm back in Omaha. I don't know, sorry guys. I'm just driving home. Yeah, so that was disappointing. I didn't see a lot of animals or anything, but it was still fun. I think part of the title will probably be fun trip somewhere. I think I used fun like 100 times in this video. So I got a minute. But no, it was disappointing that some dude kind of ruined my hunt. It is public land, so that kind of happens, but nothing that I did was intentional. But you know, sometimes you walk up on someone else's hunt when it's a little dark or whatever, and that's what happens. But I'm almost home, and I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this or anything, but the exciting part is it will be New Year in 2 days, so that's always gonna be fun. So yeah, we'll see you next year.